Hello kids, colors name kids, let's learn to 2D shapes. Hexagon, cube, heart, pentagon, no symbol, left arrow. Colors name kids, yellow color, pink color, orange color, light green color, red color, blue color, sky blue color, light pink color and green color. Shapes drawing green color, hexagon, cube, kids, cube, heart, pentagon, no symbol, left arrow, color wheel kids, blue color, hexagon, red color kids, cube, red color kids, cube, light green color kids, heart, light green color kids, heart, light pink color kids, pentagon, pentagon, purple color, no symbol, yellow color, left arrow, hexagon, cube, heart, pentagon, no symbol, left arrow. Kids, this video like, my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.